Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get Perplexity Pro for free. So this is super useful if you're a student, researcher, or developers trying to access advanced models, higher limits, and API perks. So let's get into it. The first thing that you will have to do is you will check for Perplexity free trial. So what you will have to do is go to your profile icon and then you will just have to go to your settings and what you will do is, or you can go to, and it really depends on your layout, but if you see view plans, then just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, what you will have to do, if you see the Okay, so if you see this, which is Education Pro and 12 months free trial, is basically you will verify either as a student or as an educator. So this only works, by the way, if it's about if it's about your school or if it's about your education. So what you will have to do is basically you will verify either as a student, or if you're a teacher, then verify as a student, and they will provide you a 12 months free trial. So yeah, you just gotta fill all these out so that you will be able to actually verify that you're a student or an educator. And yeah, just fill out these forms, and if prompted, of course, you do have to submit your student or edu ID, and then this will grant you free or discounted pro access. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.